Hey beauties, how are you all doing? So today we are going to be doing some close-up swatches of this beautiful palette here. Not swatched it, I'm saving that for us so that we can do a first impressions together on it. Now you guys seem to like the swatches of the Matrix. Some of you said that you hadn't even seen that palette and didn't know about it, so I'm glad I put that up before my get ready with me. So my get ready with me will be going up on Wednesday. It's currently Tuesday as I'm filming this, and this will probably go up next week sometime. So it's the I Heart Revolution Tasty Pumpkin Spice Latte palette. Right, so what can I say? I really do like these palettes. I don't like the rubberized texture of it because it just gets filthy. My other one that I got, the Tasty Coffee palette, got really filthy. So yeah, we're gonna swatch it. So we're kind of gonna swatch it just on the arms, and then how many eyeshadows have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18. And then we'll do some swatches with this afterwards. So there's enough for me to use that. This palette is a thing of beauty, guys. It's all shimmers, so if you're not liking an all shimmer palette, then it's not for you, but I'm going to use it as a companion palette. So let's put her down. She is pretty. Now I got it with my rewards. I didn't even know about them, and then I just looked, and I only paid £5.99 plus £2.99 shipping, and I took £5 off it for the rewards. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go in with Infused. Pretty pigmented. Right, so that one's Infused. The next one is Steamed Milk. I mean, I wouldn't say they're the smoothest, and you can definitely see kind of like they're a bit chunky. But when you put on setting spray, you really can't tell. That one is really pretty. So that one is Steamed Milk. Autumn's next. It's this beautiful green. What's that one there? That's that one. So that's Autumn. The next one is Latte or Clark, which is this like plum shade here. That's that one there. The next one is Whipped Cream. Oh, this one is so foiled, it almost looks wet. So that's that one there. So what was it again? Whipped Cream. I've got a memory like a sieve. The next one on that row, or the last one on that row should I say, is Spicy and Sweet, which is a kind of raspberry shade. That one there. Right, so we're going into the middle row now. That one's called Cafe au Lait. Again, another quite foiled shade. That's that one. The next one is Winter. What I am noticing in this palette is there's a lot of like pinky purple shades, and that one isn't as foiled. I'm not making excuses for the palette, but I think those kind of shades are quite difficult to make. It's still pretty pigmented. Then we have Pumpkin Puree. Oh, that is that not me in an eyeshadow? That is so pretty. But it's more of a topper by the looks of things. Yeah, you can build it up though, so that's pretty cool. The next one is Ginger Blend. I just got this palette really to give me that autumnal vibe. I mean, I don't think I'm going to get a chance to use it, to be honest. I'm not using makeup for work. So that's Ginger Blend. So I'm not using makeup for work, mainly because you sweat it off. I mean, I could wear eyeshadow. Just eyeshadow by itself, I could wear that, but I don't like it. It makes me look washed out if I've no base on. The next one is Coffee Bean. That's quite nice. Quite dark and grungy. I was just saying to my friend Karen how guilty I feel. I feel like I'm almost deserting you guys, because I've gone back to my old schedule, which is Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and it is a lot, especially when you're working full time, to try and put 3 videos out a week. But I used to do like 6 to 7 a week, and she was saying, you're working now, you know, don't be so hard on yourself, you know, you'll film when you film, which she's got a point. It is right. But I do feel like I'm almost abandoning you guys. What I need to tell you is what I said in the previous video. Now, I looked and it's been well over 2 weeks since my last Shop My Stash went up, so I feel like I'm going to be doing a monthly, and if I'm not wearing foundation for work, we'll still do the monthly, but we won't be pulling as much out, just purely because I'll only be wearing makeup at the weekend. Right, so the next one is Vanilla Extract. I just wanted to talk to you about that. So that one's pretty as well. Just going a little bit more with that. So what's on everyone's Christmas wish list palette wise? I've got so much. I've even started a little box. I do it every year. Start a little Christmas box around this time. Last year I did it Black Friday time, and I had loads of little presents last year to me from me. But that's the kind of thing that you have to do when you don't really have that many people buying. Well, you don't have to do it. It is just really, really fun to do it. We're moving on to the third row now, and we're going in with Coffee Break. Wow, look at that, guys. The camera is washing it out a little bit, but it's a really bright fuchsia pink. That one there. And then coming up is Festive Treat. This is a yellow, and please, 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 please be pigmented. Yeah, quite is. That is beautiful. And so me. They are crumbly though, guys. But what do you expect for £10? You're getting a lot of eyeshadow. The next one is Brewed Espresso. This is really soft. Oh my gosh. I've gone in a little bit too much, but that is really, really soft. And so filed. Brewed Espresso. You're going to see them on the swatches that I'm going to do better than this. The next one is Feeling Nice. I think I'm going to put these ones down here just so you can see them a bit better. So we've only got 3 left. Feeling Nice can go here. That one is Feeling Nice. The next one is Cinnamon Stick. They're pretty similar colours. Next to each other you'll see it. But look how similar them two are. So you're going to get a similar look with them. And the last shade in the palette is Coffee Fix, which I'll put on this side. Ooh, that's pretty. Really, really foiled. Right, so I don't know if you're going to see them. But I'm going to do some swatches now with this template, and then I'll come back and show you them. Right guys, so here is a close-up of the palette. And then the swatches are here. I think it's pretty. My only, if I was to complain about this palette, I would say there's a lot of similar shades in it. Like this one here, Infused, is kind of the lighter version to Winter. Winter's the lighter version to Coffee Break. And then, yeah, the like golden bronze ones are very, very similar as well. Like this one here, Coffee Fix, is very similar to Coffee au Lait, but they are perfect autumn shades. I mean, could you have really put any other shades in? I wouldn't say these are bright pinks or autumnal though. But yeah, I do like it. I think I will get quite a lot of use out of it in the autumn when I can finally put makeup on. I love this yellow shade here, this Festive Trait. I think that's going to be one of the first shades that I try, and maybe pumpkin puree as well. I do like the fact that I bought this. I'm going to buy another one as well, and just try and get the hang of doing the swatches a little bit better. But I am getting slightly better. You can see my tattoos through it all. So that's not badly placed swatches. Like on that one there where the green is, I thought something had happened, but then I realised I actually have a tattoo. But I think that's eyeshadow there on that shade there, but let's not worry about that. But those are the swatches. I think they're really, really pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you going to pick up this palette? Are you going to give it a miss? I know it's not going to be everyone's favourite cup of tea, just because of it's all shimmers. You feel like they could have done what they did with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold and put like a few neutral shades in, and then just filled it with like foiled shades. What do you guys think? I mean, I really like that Too Faced Chocolate Gold. I would have liked them to have put crease, transition, maybe a cream ivory shade in, because I'm constantly using that. But I don't mind it being all shimmers either. I don't think I've got too many all shimmer palettes. So yeah, I can definitely use this with one of my other palettes. I have got loads of palettes, so I don't need to worry about not having enough. But I mean, if you're a beginner and you feel like you can use this one, I mean, you could just use shimmers all over. I know people that do it, but for me personally, I tend to stick with mattes in the transition and crease area, and then put a really nice shimmer all over the lid, or a few shimmers all over the lids. Anyway guys, so this concludes the video guys. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for your support on the channel. Thank you for understanding that I can't film as much as I used to. I really do appreciate you all so much. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.